Hi guys, welcome to my brother's YouTube channel that I'm taking over. So what I'm going to be showing you guys for today is my multi-tool that can also flip over to a Lego knife. And then I'm also going to be using one of these. Wait, let me get a plan. Okay. Now I can put down the characters. I need this propped down. Okay, now I'm going to be placing down the characters now. Okay, now I'm going to use my multi-tool to this piece came flying off of it, which I don't know where it was. Okay, now subscribe and hit that notification bell. Back to what I was saying. The multi-tool is very good. I can place down this one, and then I'm going to also place down that one, and then I'm also going to place down that one, and then I'm going to slash over. Watch. See, I'm going to slash every single one. Let me flip over my... See? And that is very cool. I like my multi-tool that I made. Why is it doing that? Okay, that is all for today. I hope you liked this video, and yeah, have a great day. Bye.